You're now listening to the Shipper's Toolbox, presented by Refund Retriever. Hey guys, Brian from Refund Retriever, and today we're going to talk about Amazon's Inventory Performance Index. So Amazon IPI is their Inventory Performance Index. That's a number 0 to 1,000 that measures FBA inventory health. So Amazon captures low inventory and excess inventory levels of your FBA SKUs, and the IPI can benefit both you and Amazon. The performance index score combines the preceding 3 months of sales, inventory levels, and expenses into this rolling metric that's updated each week. So why is this important for FBA sellers? So it's essential for an Amazon FBA merchant because it measures the overall inventory management, how well you balance inventory levels and sales. Sellers must fix listing problems that make inventory unavailable for purchase and make sure they keep popular products in stock. So it's going to measure your inventory management over time, the overall balance of your inventory level and sales, your ability to fix listing problems to prevent inventory unavailable for purchase, and the ability to keep popular merchandise in stock. So here's 4 significant factors that really influence your Amazon IPI. So excess inventory percentage, so reducing excess inventory can help increase profitability. FBA sell-through rates, the increase helps move stock off the shelves. Your stranded inventory percentage, so you got to fix listings to guarantee that inventory that is in FBA warehouses is buyable. And the in-stock inventory, keep those popular items in stock. So really, what's a good score to maintain? Average Amazon IPI can range 400 to 800 on average. Anything under 350, you can limit your FBA storage and also cause overage fees. So make sure to maintain the inventory performance index above this minimum threshold, particularly at the end of a quarter or the 6 weeks prior. You need to keep at least a month to 2 months worth of inventory, of stock on hand, and fix any stranded inventory. So, we already talked what this is kind of based on, but what does it affect? It reflects, the health of your inventory levels, how you fix listing problems, how you drive sales. It does not affect your ASIN limits. New products don't hurt your score, and you can't constantly improve scores by having large amounts of inventory. Marking items as non-replenishable does not also affect your IPI. So if you need to improve your IPI, you need to increase your sell-through rate, the number of products you sell with stock on hand, avoid overstocking items, and improve the in-stock quality for popular items. Fix all your stranded inventory all the time. Manage excess inventory, so you might need to remove some, and monitor your shipment status daily. You can create shipments in advance if you think you're going to fall below that 400. So if you have that low IPI, Amazon can restrict inventory storage and give you some of those higher fees. Restrictions placed on your account will also affect the ability to create inbound shipments. There are 2 score check weeks that Amazon announces. This is where they evaluate and determine storage limits. So you need to make sure you reach the required IPI threshold during either of those weeks, and you're going to be cleared from storage volume limits for the following week's check. Inventory Performance Index scores are available for sellers with a professional plan, remember, and inventory at a fulfillment center. Some people don't know this, but it's got to be FBA at a fulfillment center. If you sell on Amazon FBA, you also need to ensure that all inventory is present and accounted for. That's something we do here at Refund Retriever. You can give us a call or check out our website, www.refundretriever.com. We're going to monitor the entire life cycle of your inventory for FBA. Make sure that there's no lost or damaged packages, all your refunds. Make sure there's no mishandled returns. If you have any questions about your Amazon FBA, or if you're doing FedEx or UPS, if you want to look at reporting or getting a new agreement with the carriers, give us a call at 800-441-8085 or check out our website, refundretriever.com. Thanks a lot. Thank you for joining us on the Shipper's Toolbox. If you have any questions, visit our website, refundretriever.com. Feel free to reach out to us, 800-441-8085 for anything related to your FedEx or UPS invoices. Have a great day.